So now let's see how we can work around with the wet paint effect inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have this picture, and let's say what I want to do is I want to apply the wet paint effect to it. So in order to do that, you need to go around onto the effects menu right here, and then go around over here onto the distort section, and here you need to go ahead and choose wet paint. Once you go ahead and do that, you can see that now you get the wet paint effect right here, as if the paint is dripping right here from different colors. So what you can do is you can go ahead and decrease and increase the wetness of the colors right here, as you can see, and similarly you can see that the drip changes out accordingly. Then you can go ahead and change around the percentage right here, just like this as well, and then the drip actually goes ahead and increases or decreases accordingly, as you can see right here. And this is simply how you can go ahead and work around with the wet paint effect to make the image look really interesting. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.